I'm Kenny Harrell, the managing partner of the Joye law firm, and there's a certain type of accident that I would tell somebody, look, you definitely need to get a lawyer involved to help you with this situation. And that's if you've been hurt in a tractor-trailer collision, particularly where the truck driver would have been at fault. Look, most truck drivers do a great job. We rely on them, everything from the shoes on our feet to the food on our table. Some truck driver probably got it to us, so we are very grateful for the good work that they do. But I also would tell you, one thing I've learned over 35 years of practicing law is that the bad apples in that profession are really bad apples. Not only as to the drivers, but also as to certain companies. There are definitely certain trucking companies that for them, the safety of you and your family is an afterthought as long as they're making money. But so how are they different from a normal car wreck? Well, one, good chance you were hurt a hell of a lot worse because these are huge vehicles. And so if you get into a situation where you've got a tractor trailer that's rear-ended you, it's going to be worse than if you've been hit by the typical sedan car that would be out on the road. The other thing that is crucial is that if somebody's been seriously hurt, or God forbid if somebody's been killed, rest assured that the trucking company will have lawyers and experts on the scene probably before the ambulance even pulls away. We had a case a few years ago, horrible case, family of three, couple and their 17-month-old child. All three were killed almost instantaneously after a tractor trailer going 20 miles over the speed limit in a construction zone. But the thing I can tell you that really stuck in my mind is that there were lawyers on the scene for that trucking company truly before they cleaned up that scene. And we later were able to discover that one of the things that was done, I'm not putting this on the lawyer, because I think this was more on the truck driver, but he had taken a bottle of bourbon that had been under the truck seat and threw it into the woods. And those are the kind of things, the evidence that can disappear in these cases. I mean, you don't know what you're up against, but trust me, the trucking company, they're going to have people out there working on their behalf. The sooner you can get people there working on your behalf, it just evens the playing field. There's so many more complicated factors. I mean, there's a whole host of federal regulations that come into play when you're dealing with a trucking case. It is not something to try to handle on your own. Please reach out to us, 888-324-3100. We've been representing people hurt in bad tractor-trailer collision accidents for almost 60 years. We'd love to have an opportunity to help you. Thank you.